Tom lives in a small town. The town is quiet and simple. There are small houses, a little shop, and one school. Tom lives with his mother in a small house. The house is not big, but it is clean and warm. There is a small garden in front of the house. Tom likes the garden. He sits there every day. Tom is a quiet boy. He does not have many friends. He goes to school, but he does not talk much. Other children play together. They laugh and run. Tom watches them, but he stays alone. Sometimes he wants to join them, but he feels shy. He looks down and walks away. Every morning, Tom wakes up early. His mother makes simple food. She smiles and says, "Good morning, Tom." Tom smiles a little and says, "Good morning, Mom." He eats his food slowly. Then he takes his bag and walks to school. The road is long but calm. He sees trees, birds, and small houses. Sometimes he sees other children, but he does not speak. At school, Tom sits in the back. He listens to the teacher. He writes in his book. He does his work well. The teacher likes him, but Tom still feels alone. At lunchtime, children sit in groups. They talk and laugh. Tom sits under a tree. He eats his food quietly. He looks at the sky. He feels a little sad. After school, Tom walks home. He opens the gate and sits in the garden. This is his quiet place. He looks at the flowers. He talks to them softly. "Hello," he says. "How are you today?" The flowers do not answer, but Tom smiles a little. It makes him feel less alone. One day, something new happens. Tom is walking home from school. The sky is gray. The wind is cold. Tom walks slowly. Then he hears a soft sound. Meow, meow. Tom stops. He looks around. The sound comes again. Meow. Tom follows the sound. He walks near a small box by the road. He looks inside. There is a small cat. The cat is very small. It is wet and cold. It looks at Tom with big eyes. Meow, the cat says again. Tom feels something warm in his heart. "Oh, hello," Tom says softly. The cat shakes a little. It looks weak. Tom looks around. There is no one. The road is empty. He thinks for a moment. Then he says, "Come with me." He takes the small cat in his hands. The cat is light and cold. Tom puts the cat inside his jacket. "It's okay," Tom says. "I am here." Tom walks home faster. His heart beats fast. He feels nervous, but also happy. When he gets home, his mother looks at him. "Tom, what is that?" she asks. Tom opens his jacket. The small cat looks out. "I found it," Tom says. "It was alone." His mother looks at the cat. She is quiet for a moment. Then she smiles a little. "It is very small," she says. "Yes," Tom says. "Can we keep it?" His mother thinks and then says, "Okay, but we must take care of it." Tom's eyes shine. "Yes, I will take care of it." Tom finds a small box and puts a soft cloth inside. He makes a little bed for the cat. The cat lies down and looks tired. Tom brings some milk. The cat drinks slowly. Good, Tom says softly. Good little cat. That night, Tom sits next to the box and watches the cat. You are not alone now, he says. I am here. The cat sleeps. Tom smiles and feels warm inside. The next day, Tom wakes up early and runs to the box. Good morning, he says. The cat opens its eyes. Meow, it says. Tom laughs a little. Good morning. Tom gives the cat some milk and touches its head gently. I will call you Mimi, Tom says. Mimi, he repeats. Yes, your name is Mimi. From that day, Tom is not alone. Every morning, he says, Good morning, Mimi. Every afternoon, he says, I am back, Mimi. Mimi waits for him. Mimi plays with him. Mimi sleeps next to him. Tom feels happy. At school, Tom still sits alone, but now he thinks of Mimi. He smiles a little more. One day, a boy sees Tom smile. Why are you smiling? The boy asks. Tom looks up. He feels shy. I have a cat, Tom says. A cat? The boy says. Really? Yes, Tom says. Her name is Mimi. The boy smiles. I like cats, he says. Tom feels a little brave. Do you want to see her? Tom asks. The boy nods. Yes. After school, the boy goes with Tom. At home, Tom shows Mimi. Hello, Mimi, the boy says. Mimi looks at him. Meow. The boy laughs. She is cute. Tom smiles. He feels happy. My name is Sam, the boy says. I am Tom, Tom says. From that day, Tom and Sam talk more. They sit together at school. They eat together. They laugh. Tom feels less alone. But one day, something happens. Tom comes home from school. Mimi? He calls. No answer. Mimi? He calls again. He looks around. The box is empty. Tom's heart beats fast. Mimi! He shouts. Tom runs outside. He looks in the garden. He looks near the road. Mimi! Mimi! No answer. Tom feels scared. His eyes fill with tears. Where are you? He says. He runs to Sam's house. Sam! Mimi is gone, Tom says. Sam looks worried. Let's find her, he says. They walk together and call her name. Mimi! Mimi! The sky is dark. The wind is cold. Tom feels very sad. I lost her, he says. I lost my friend. Sam puts a hand on Tom's shoulder. We will find her, Sam says. Don't worry. They keep walking and looking everywhere. Then they hear a soft sound. Meow. Tom stops. Did you hear that? He asks. Yes, Sam says. They follow the sound. Meow. It comes from behind a tree. Tom runs. Mimi, he calls. There she is. Mimi is stuck near a small hole. She cannot move. Tom runs to her and picks her up. Mimi, he says, you are here. Mimi looks at him. Meow. Tom hugs her gently. I was so scared, he says. Sam smiles. She is okay, he says. Tom smiles through his tears. Yes, she is okay. They walk home together.
At home, Tom holds Mimi close. "You are safe now," he says. That night, Tom sits with Mimi and Sam. "Thank you," Tom says to Sam. Sam smiles. "You are my friend," he says. Tom feels warm inside. "I am not alone," Tom says softly. Sam nods. "You are not alone." Mimi sleeps between them. Tom smiles. From that day, Tom's life is different. He still lives in a small house. He still goes to the same school. The town is still quiet. But Tom is not the same. Now he has Mimi. Now he has Sam. Now he has a smile. Every morning, Tom says, "Good morning, Mimi." Every day, Sam says, "Hello, Tom." Every night, Tom feels warm.